Most recently during the month of March 2026. I noticed available local wireless networks, which I was never able to see in 2023 with Google ChromeOS. I then unplugged my external network adapter and selected my wireless network, and I was able to connect to the internet. Prior to March, no wireless networks were available. Next, I attempted to search for Bluetooth devices. Initially, none showed up, so I turned Bluetooth off and on and then attempted to pair a new device. I received an error message. However, after I restarted my Bluetooth device, I was able to connect. Currently, I am using Chrome version 145. When I originally installed Google Chrome OS on my Windows 10 laptop, I installed version 111. That version was not compatible with my wireless network card, nor my Bluetooth adapter. At that time, I had to purchase an external Bluetooth adapter and a USB-C adapter to allow the Chrome OS system to obtain internet access. However, with version 145, no external adapter is needed, because now my internal wireless card works with Google Chrome OS, even though previously it wasn't listed as a compatible upgrade device. So check your Chrome OS device to verify if your internal wireless card works with Chrome OS now, even if it didn't previously.